Oh, you got my yard? So you have Wi-Fi, which by the instead? Alright, me call you.
What's happening? Welcome to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Now guys, today I got a really informative, nice one for you all today. I do some digging, I touch down, I do all sort of things just to gather some good information for you all. Now my viewers and subscribers that wanna go be a little interested. Anyway, I wanna say Merry Christmas for gone and a happy New Year when it come next week. Hope we live to see it. Now to all of my viewers and subscribers out there, where call me, where give me the good words, where tell me say, Rodney, we respect you, we like your videos, we like what you say. Peace and love. Me go listen to what I say, me go follow what I say, and me go give you some proper, good content like what me I do all the while. Now to all of me viewers them, when not subscribe yet, please and thanks. Me still I look to reach 5,000 subscribers by next week. So me I say, so if you're not subscribed yet, rock and come in, man. Where you wait, man? Make we do it for January. Yeah, man. And to all of me subscribers them out there from day one. Remember, at Rodney's, you go get just how me see it and me go lay it out there. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, boy, me don't know what happened, but me want to talk to Chrissy. Yes, man, me talked to Chrissy one time already, but as far as me concerned, boy, Chrissy not listen. And this time, I want to talk to Chrissy again. Because I want to ask Chrissy a couple questions. One of the questions I may ask when I want to ask Chrissy is, how comes you can go off and this viewer like that, but you cannot say nothing, you cannot address anything about the victim? That's one question. And my viewers and subscribers, me go show you that specific video. And what me want you do, I want to know, watch it. I take it from another person page. So what me go do, me go kind of block out one part of it, so uno can hear our voice, because me don't really want to play our video on my channel, but the voice, you can't stop the voice. So what we want to do, listen to Chrissy and go off pan up, just listen to her. Listen.
Your Bible is great to read, that's true. You know, so there's somebody here that Baker girl, delete, block her, you're too blood clot enough. Excuse me language. Language me I talk about God. What you tell me about vocabulary? Every time I come over here so with it. When me I work with them big company where I pay me much thousands and millions of dollars, them I worry about that. When y'all listen to the Africans speak, una complain about that? Eh? When you hear the African them a speak. Me say me hate you know. Me hate you. Whoever you be. A black you should have black her. You see me work with no Jamaican company? All, all of them American companies, do they have a problem with how I speak? They're going to cut the party out there. Video when it's done. But Miss, sit my stomach sometimes. No. And you have the heart to read the message thinking that is going to stay right there. You see, the devil just a talk about God, you know, never met them. Ah! All right.
But what happened?
Nothing. Never make it before me start talk about God, you know. You never make the comment before me start talk about God.
Yeah, man. So you just hear how Chrissy go off upon that individual. Now, my viewers and subscriber, that was a live. But what happened is, when me go to catch the live, Chrissy already cut out all of them things out of the live. So good that person OMGGGTV, big up yourself to catch that part of it. But when we go back to catch it, it already cut out. But you know how me go to work. Yeah, man, me na ramp to dig, and me nah go stop dig until me find something. My viewers and subscriber, me find something, but me go say it in the video, but me nah go say it right now. Me go talk about something else. Chrissy, here we want to ask you, Chrissy. So, apparently everything is good with you and CMR. Same? Yeah, man, everything good with you and CMR. I know what I'm going. So, when you give your daughter, where you try to give a lip glass company, because I buy, I try to buy her out, you know. So, which part she go live? Let's say she throw away the case. So, you bring back CMR in the same house with the victim. And that I want to ask you. I want to ask you if you go bring back CMR in the house with the victim, or you go get rid of the victim out of the house. Which one of them? Yes, Chrissy. Yes, Chrissy. Things they have to talk, man. Things they have to talk where you need to sit down and look into or ask yourself. And as a matter of fact, Chrissy, you say businesses are paying you thousands and millions of dollars. Hold on, Chrissy, let me ask you this question. We all know say the money a fool you. But I wish company are pay you millions of dollars. No company not pay that, man. Stop that. No company not pay you $1 million for nothing at all. Nothing at all. So that's just a front you try to put on right there. Make we go past that, because you're not going to trick nobody around, yeah? Now, Chrissy, me back to you again. the daughter that you are trying to give a lip gloss company, you say she not even come up with a name for it yet because she's not interested. Don't you think? If she did interested, she would have come up with a name for it already done. But you are trying to push it down her throat. Where me I try to say to you is, you need to stop that. You need to look, you need to think about your daughter. And stop only think about the man. Now, my viewers and subscribers, this part is the part we want to talk to you about. Chrissy go off on the viewer. Yeah? You up in the video there? And when Chrissy go off on the viewer, Chrissy call CMR. Yeah, man. Chrissy call CMR in a Jamaica. Hold on. You know, you hear me just say? I'm in a done yet, you know? Me have more info. Chrissy call CMR in a Jamaica and tell CMR say he must go and watch the video at the 56 minute of the video and cut out what I'm seeing there. And that's the reason why when me go back to the video, me couldn't find where he made a cut, where she a cuss out the lady, and also a cuss our kids them. I get really mad upon our kids them because she get really mad. The real Chrissy come out. Listen to this. Me have the video, but me cannot show the video because you know they must strike everybody. So me can't show the video. So listen to this.
When we been there live almost an hour, you see 56 minutes or so, yeah, go in it and cut out something. Yeah, me not end it. When it end, yeah, we know. When you reach an hour, I go end it. So you go somewhere around 56. You can go and cut out what in there. Something you will know what to cut out. And then, I don't know if you monetize, so look see if it turn on. And then yeah, when you done, you put the ads in there. I know, but to enable it from now, as normally when I end it, the funds generate before. I just want to make sure. Okay, perfect. Alright, when it's done, you make it know. Which part is there? Yes. Oh, you got on my yard? So you have Wi-Fi? Which part is there, Lindsay? Alright, me call you. Big back, big back. Big back, big back. Yay! Guys, double tap the screen. It's an hour, I know. So, once you done make up the bed, I'm going to end the live. And I'm going to go live over the subscribe area because we have a giveaway to do for Christmas. I'm going to plan it. Everything is not yet out there because I was dealing with my kids first. So, it's going to be some New Year type of something. Would you look out at yourself? Want to be seen. Nobody no know. When you let me fully done people in life, but can't pronounce nothing. When you not attack them, I mean, you don't want to come. Sure. My bed easy for make up, you know, because guess what I mean I do? Where is Big Bag? I also a big back. But what I call people big back. All right.
That's it. There it is, guys. So when you realize I'm not telling a lie. No, because I'm in a make up story. I'm in a tell lie upon people. No, I'm not do that. So guys, you hear what has happened? She called CMR in a Jamaica and tell him, say if he go and cut it out. Yeah, man, so in other words is, them still a correspond, them still a do everything like normal. Yeah, man, them still a do everything like normal, no change. Nothing no change. There's no remorse. Them just a live like everything alright. What them a try to do? Them a try to use this lip balm. Them a try to do everything. Them a buy new phone. Them a do everything. Just gifts. Them a give that girl all kind of gifts. Now all of a sudden, you see them start to show her more in a more videos. More videos. They start to call her name more. But Chrissy, my question to you is where she's going to live. I don't know if you ask, you know. Let's say, me don't want to think this away, but let's say the case gets thrown out. Where is the daughter going to live? That's my question. You go over and live same place now, that same house with CMR, and then you call yourself, no. I know you call yourself, other people call you the best mother. Come on now, Chrissy. Come on now. How can you be the best and the greatest mother when that's your plan? Because remember, you know, allegedly, them say the girl dad is not here with us anymore. It's not amongst the land of the living anymore. My viewers and subscribers, I could move over to CMR a little bit. So CMR, CMR, you got a rich man over there. Oh, you don't know which rich man me attack? Yeah, man, rich man in a St. Mary. Aye, people. People know me, I say me fast. I know me, I wonder how me know and how me get me information. But, let me tell you something. CMR was in Linstead, St. Mary. Yeah, man. But I see, man, you look some hile, man. Hile if you rub up when you go to court. See, man, you know, so we all at Jamaica. We know all of them something there. Yeah, man. We know all of them things. Yeah, man, we know all of them things, yeah, man. We know everything where you do, everything where you done there. I work on. Yeah, man, all of the island rub up, the island this. Upper Richmond, St. Mary, you there. Yeah, man, Richmond, St. Mary. Want me tell you your address too? Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, CMR, down at Jamaica, I try to take bath. Him a do all kind of things. A 2 times, him go to Richmond St. Mary, from him there Jamaica the other day. 2 times. The guy up at Linstead, no as good as the brother at Richmond Linstead, so that you are going with. So, in other words is, if me did know say me no guilty. Me never did go a no science, man. Me never did go a no science, man. But the reason why you go a Obeah, man, is because you know say you're guilty. Yeah, man, you know say you're guilty, youth. That's why you go a Obeah, man. And me can't believe say Chrissy, you a call CMR down a Linstead, Jamaica, and ask him about if which part him there. Wi-Fi there. Let me tell you something, Chrissy, you have a heart like a lion. You're dangerous. You're deadly. And yet still you have some people around you who surround you. Some mothers, some fathers will surround you. We still I give you love, I still I give you everything. Me not say people fi hate you, you know. Yeah, me not say them fi hate you. But what me I say is people cannot. Me see now one of your live there. Some people on your live, me I tell them I chastise your daughter. Them I talk bad your daughter upon your live. And you not say nothing to them. You never say to them, say guys, I understand on no concern, but that's still my daughter. You can't do her so bad. You can't talk them things. Then you go announce how she have YouTube channel, but you not go make people know about the YouTube channel. You know say once she have YouTube channel and she post something on it, people go find it. So why you even say it out of your mouth? And think people not go find it. People go find it because guess what? Me go find it. The only way me no find it unless you know depend there. Because me know how to find everything. So, me don't know what you do. Me don't understand what you do. And me don't see what you do because as far as me concerned, you not do nothing for yourself. All you do is just pure. The things we you do just me don't get it, star. Me don't get it. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, me come with a piece there. Because that me did missing for a couple days. I'm back now. So with all due respect, enough manners, enough respect, no say a word to all of the people that call me from Bahamas, from down at Barbados there. Enough love, enough respect, and thank you for the viewing, thank you for your watch, and no say a word. Peace and love. Watch, follow, I'm coming at the next video. No say a word. Peace and love. I'm out.